How do I know if my pet has a urinary tract infection? One of the things we often see is what we call PUPD. I know it's a fancy word that we veterinarians use, but actually it just means polyuria polydipsia, or drinking a lot and peeing a lot. So yeah, you got an inside track on some veterinary terminology there. Another thing that we notice is straining the urine. You know, when they're straining and they're kind of staying in the cat box, or if a dog is constantly going outside to have to use the restroom, then you know that could be a sign of urinary tract infection. So how do they get these infections? Oftentimes it is bacteria that ascends up the urinary tract, goes into the bladder, and causes some inflammation. One thing your veterinarian will do is they will do something called a urinalysis. And a urinalysis is actually just getting some urine, putting it in a test strip or putting it inside the machine, and we'll be able to tell if there's an increase in white blood cells or if there's an increase of red blood cells. So basically if there's blood or bacteria in the urine. One of the things we'll do is after that, we will do some antibiotics and some different things, but a few tricks you can do for yourself at home. Definitely make sure your pet has access to a lot of clean water. Also, I'm sure you've heard about this in people, but cranberries. Now, of course, we can't feed our pet cranberries, but they have different products at PetSmart. What they do is you give this pill and the cranberries actually adheres to the side of the wall of the urinary bladder, and that keeps that infection from forming, and also lowers the pH, the less chance of catching an infection there. So those are some ways to manage and know if your pet has a urinary tract infection. For more information about your pet's health and wellness, click the locator PetSmart Veterinary Service in your area and subscribe to our channel for more healthy videos like this one.